In this video, we are going to show you how to stack liquids together. Yay! We know we can stack blocks, but can we stack liquids? Probably not.
No.
Wait, don't get caught. We can stack liquids based on their density, and this is what we are going to show you today. Let's build our density tower together.
Wow!
We have 5 liquids here with different density. First one is
honey,
then
corn syrup, pink water, the soap, and finally
vegetable oil. Our most dense liquid is honey, sitting at the bottom of our tall glass. Now we are squeezing in some corn syrup. Well done! Olivia is pouring in some dish soap, which is less dense than our honey and corn syrup. It's time for pink water. You can mix your water with any color to make your density tower nicer. At the top will be least dense liquid, which is vegetable oil. Look at this tower, how pretty is this? As you can see, most dense liquids are at the bottom and least dense liquids are at the top.